Elevating your living space involves more than selecting furniture. It requires a deep understanding of spatial dynamics and how decor forms a home's distinct personality. A well-designed room divider serves as a functional masterpiece, balancing open concept fluidity with the necessity for private retreats. These timeless interventions reflect a sophisticated eye for design, transforming standard layouts into bespoke environments. By layering textures and architectural elements, you create a home that evolves alongside your lifestyle, offering lasting elegance and tailored comfort. Number 1. Maximize utility with KALLAX units. The IKEA KALLAX shelving unit remains a quintessential choice for dividing studio apartments because of its geometric precision and dual-sided accessibility. When positioned perpendicular to a wall, it creates a visual boundary without sacrificing natural light, allowing the airiness of a room to persist. Professional designers often recommend mixing open cubbies with specialized inserts, like woven baskets or sleek drawer units, to hide clutter while displaying curated art pieces. This balance of transparency and opacity helps define separate zones for sleeping and lounging. To achieve a high-end aesthetic, consider adding a custom wooden top or metallic feet to elevate the silhouette beyond its basic modular origins. It works beautifully here. Number 2. Install PAX systems for privacy. For those seeking a more permanent feel, the IKEA PAX wardrobe system functions as a floor-to-ceiling architectural wall that offers immense storage capacity. By facing the doors toward the bedroom area and finishing the back panel with decorative wallpaper or textured wood slats, you create a sophisticated partition that looks built-in. This strategy is particularly effective in open-plan lofts, where a dedicated dressing area is required. The tall vertical lines of the PAX frames draw the eye upward, enhancing the perceived height of the apartment. Integrating soft-close hinges and internal lighting turns this divider into a luxury feature that maximizes every square inch of your urban home. It is flawless. Number 3. Adopt Eel Varley for airy division. The Eel Varley system provides a modern, minimalistic approach to zoning by using tension-mounted posts that attach from floor to ceiling. This design is perfect for renters who cannot drill into walls but desire a structured boundary. The combination of white aluminum and light wood shelves creates a Japandi-inspired aesthetic that feels exceptionally light and breathable. You can customize the arrangement by adding hanging rails for plants or open shelving for books, maintaining a sense of visual connection between spaces while clearly defining the perimeter. Its slender profile ensures it doesn't overwhelm smaller apartments, making it an ideal choice for creating a workspace within a larger living area today. This style is truly timeless. Number 4. Hang Vidga soft fabric curtains. Ceiling-mounted Vidga tracks offer a fluid and romantic way to divide an apartment, allowing for instant privacy with a simple pull of a curtain. By using heavy velvet or light linen fabrics, you can control both light levels and acoustic dampening within the room. This solution is particularly effective for enclosing a bed nook, creating a soft, cocoon-like atmosphere that feels distinct from the active living space. The track system is discreet and can be installed in corners or across the entire width of a room. For a premium look, layer sheer drapes with blackout curtains to provide versatile lighting options throughout the day and night. It creates stunning balance. Number 5. Arrange IVAR systems for warmth. The IVAR shelving system in solid pine offers an organic, rustic modern feel that can be easily customized to fit your apartment's specific dimensions. When used as a room divider, its natural wood grain adds warmth and texture to the interior palette. You can leave the wood raw for a minimalist Scandinavian look, or paint it a bold matte charcoal to create a sophisticated focal point. By alternating between closed cabinets and open shelves, you manage storage needs while leaving gaps for light to pass through. This versatility makes IVAR a favorite for those who enjoy DIY projects, allowing for a truly personalized and unique spatial separator. It brings immense character. Number 6. Deploy Rissor for portable elegance. If flexibility is your priority, the Rissor Room Divider screen offers a classic 3-panel design that can be moved or folded away instantly.
Crafted from solid wood with semi-transparent paper inserts, it draws inspiration from traditional Japanese shoji screens, filtering light while obscuring direct views. This piece is perfect for shielding a home office desk or a cluttered laundry corner from the rest of the apartment. Its black-stained wood frame provides a sharp contrast that works well in industrial or contemporary settings. The lightweight nature of the ressort allows you to reconfigure your layout as often as needed, proving that small changes can impact flow. It is a versatile accessory.
Number 7. Utilize Billy bookcases as partitions. The Billy bookcase is perhaps the most iconic IKEA piece, offering a traditional library aesthetic that works exceptionally well as a room partition. By placing 2 units back to back, you create a thick, substantial wall that provides storage for both the living and sleeping areas. To make it look like a custom architectural feature, add height extension units and finish the base with decorative molding. Styling the shelves with books, framed photos, and brass accents introduces a sense of heritage and warmth to the apartment. This approach is perfect for bibliophiles who want to showcase their collection while creating a cozy, secluded nook within an open floor plan. It defines spaces.
These IKEA solutions prove that clever design effortlessly blends privacy and style. Transform your apartment into a personalized sanctuary by choosing the divider that suits your flow. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks!